Nazar from India.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Alaikum salam wa barakatuh.
Sheikh, an individual works in air conditioning manufacturing company where they are assigned to visit the consumer workplaces and audit the working system of AC. So does the individual's salary becomes haram on himself if he repairs and install new systems for bank or insurance company, although he receives salary from his primary company where he works? Jazakumullahu khairan.
Wa jazakum. No, a Muslim must not assist his company in repairs when it deals with interest-based banks or haram institutions such as bars or nightclubs. He cannot work there. He cannot assist them. And whatever income he gets for working there would be labeled as haram. Ziyad